Okay, good Monday morning, January 5th. Let the new year begin. All the vacations behind us. So many people have reached out to me in the last 4 days and said, Neil, I have set my goals and I'm ready to just really rock in 2026. So my question to you is, and by the way, I'm thrilled that you set your goals, are they SMART goals? By SMART, I mean S-M-A-R-T. Are they specific in terms of exactly what you want to accomplish? Right? By when, how much, things like that. So the goals have to be specific. Not, I want to get rich. I want to make more money than ever. I want to lose some weight. They have to be specific. So the M in SMART goals, of course, is measurable, as I mentioned a moment ago, and this ties in here. By when, how much? We've got to be able to look at our goals and have a specific idea in terms of what we're trying to accomplish, and it's got to be measurable. There's a big difference between I want to start jogging every week and I want to run 2 miles every day or walk 2 miles every day. See, one is measurable, one is too broad-based. The A in SMART goals is attainable. Is it attainable? Is it realistic? So I could be the most optimistic person in the world and say, I want to be the quarterback for the New England Patriots, or I want to play football in Liverpool. You know what? I'm 69 years old. I don't have a background in either sport, so the likelihood of me attaining that goal is unrealistic. So is it attainable? Keep that in mind. R ties into attainable. Is it realistic? If I said I want to run a marathon in 2 hours, and yet my best marathon's 2 hours and 17 minutes 40 years ago, it's not realistic. So look at your goals really and work with a friend on this to have them look at your goals also and say, okay, is it realistic? I'm really in favor of stretch goals, going a little bit beyond, and stay realistic. And finally, the T in SMART is time sensitive. Again, by when, how much? When do you want to accomplish this? I want to walk 45 minutes every day before work for 30 days. Now that is time sensitive. Not I want to walk before work. That's too vague. So if you want a copy of the SMART Goals Program, I'll give you a free PDF. Just message me, comment on this post. If you want to look at my YouTube post on the same thing, feel welcome to do that. I'm here to help. If I can help you make progress this year and accomplish so many of your goals, I'm thrilled. My goal is to really help you win. And by seeing you win, I feel like I win. We all make progress together. And one final note, don't get hung up on perfection. It doesn't exist. Measure your progress, be your own best friend, and you can have one of your best years ever. Hope that helps. Thanks so much. Again, Happy New Year. I wish you a tremendous 2026. Make sure you write your SMART goals down this week. Thanks so much.